blissful, blissful. The word blissful is used to describe a state of perfect happiness, contentment, or joy. It is an adjective that conveys a feeling of great pleasure or satisfaction. The term is often associated with a sense of calmness and serenity, suggesting a lack of stress or worry. This can be experienced in a variety of ways, such as through personal relationships, spiritual practices, or simply enjoying the beauty of the natural world. Overall, the concept of blissful represents a state of being that is characterized by a deep sense of fulfillment and peace, which can be sought after and treasured throughout life.